Hello, it's George and welcome to George Basics. In this video I want to show you guys how to turn off comments on your TikTok videos. First of all, open your TikTok and click me. Then choose your video and click these three dots. Here you should scroll right and click privacy settings. Here you should uncheck this, allow comments, and after that no one can write comments down below to your video. If you want to turn off comments on your every single video, you can go back. You can click the three dots or top right corner and go to the privacy. Here you should scroll down and click who can comment on your videos. Here you see that it's chosen everyone. Now you should click no one, and no one can write comments after this moment. So guys, thank you for watching. If you liked my video, you can click the like button and you can subscribe.